Assalamu alaikum. Aniga Maga Muhammad Nasir. Today my topic is I'm open the new drone. The drone name is Movik to Fro. Okay, so let me start now. I open this drone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I'm open this drone. First of all, I'm remove the drone. This for drone. Okay. First remove for the gimbal. This is the gimbal. Second, this for remote. Okay. This have one charger, two extra batteries, and two profiles. So I will show you how to open this drone. First you open this leg, second, third, fourth. So this right now this is open. Okay. Then you open the remote. This have two antenna, 1 and 2, and this handle 1 and 2, and two small. You can see this. You can see this one. This for the small handle to fix here. Fix here. Okay. And this four profiles. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. How to fix this one? First you see this and small push down. Okay. Second, third, and fourth. So now ready this drone, you can see properly. Okay. So I show you how to open this drone. You see this button, this for battery. This one battery. First you check the battery. Second, you push down this battery and open this button. But open for the drone, so press 2 times, 1 or 2 times this button. So now this drone is open. You can see. Okay. Second, you open the remote. This button for remote. So now ready, this remote is open and drone is open. Now is ready this one. So today I'm open the new drone, and inshallah next video I'm fly the drone. So do you like same like this one video? So please like my video, share and comment and subscribe my channel. So my channel name is Gullu Boy Somali. Thank you. Bye bye. Mahasanit.